Hi everybody, it's Vincent Oquendo, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here with True Botanicals. We are going to do a fresh makeup look. We started with the Resurfacing Mask, and I'm just gonna gently take it off with a warm towel. You only have to use this mask for 5 minutes, and it just gives you that look like you've just had a facial. Okay, so now we're gonna use the True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. I'm gonna take a couple of drops of that. Warm it up on my hands. The reason why I love this oil is it's a small molecule seed oil, which is perfect before you do a red carpet because it absorbs into the skin. It's not gonna kick back and it's not gonna look cakey and oily, which is the #1 fear. If I'm going to apply skincare, I always go up. So now we're gonna use the star of the show, the True Botanicals Everyday Skin Tint with SPF 30. SPF 30 is so important. You want that sun protection, and what I love is that this is good for skin any age. It comes in 24 skin-loving shades, and it's good for every type of skin tone and texture. As a makeup artist, I want a product that I can just use on every single one of my clients, and this is definitely that product. All right. Let's get you moving along with some makeup. So I'm gonna do some brows. You wanna go kind of against the grain, get the shape, feather it up, and then move towards the top of your ear. So now I'm gonna curl Marianne's lashes. I'm doing soft pumps, and as I'm curling, I'm releasing the hair so it gives me a gorgeous soft curl. I'm using black mascara because there's some things that I just can't do without. It just makes your eyes look super bright. I'd love to do a little wing eyeliner. So I'm gonna do little dots and then I'm gonna bring it in. Gorge. And there we have it. Take a look in the mirror, I wanna check you out.
Ooh.
Pretty.
Ooh la la.
I love that.
I love it.
Now, one of the big things that I find with the skin tint, it's made with Milk Thistle. It gives your skin such a gorgeous finish. I'm gonna put a swipe more blush. You can never have too much money or too much blush. So I'm gonna finish with like a really soft peachy lip. And that's it, all done. Well, thank you for following along with my tutorial video and see you soon.